Welcome back to Design Coach. In this video, I'll show you how to create a trendy statement belt using our awesome online tool, Repsketch. Repsketch is a free online software for designing, customizing, and transforming product ideas into captivating 3D designs. On the platform, this design process is broken down into 3 simple steps: repurpose, remix, and render. Step 1. Repurpose. To begin, we'll expedite the process by exploring our design library. Using the search bar, let's look for belt sketches. Repsketch has this vast library of vector sketches contributed by a community professional designers. This women's big buckle belt design will be great as our starting point. So let's click on this Edit button to repurpose this sketch and customize it in the next step. Step 2. Remix. Now we have our base ready on the canvas, so let's remix this to align with our design requirements. First thing first, let's begin by removing any surplus design elements by ungrouping and deleting objects like this. Now I'll drag and select all the design elements to change color using the color tool. Also double-click to expose vector nodes to select and drag to increase the belt width. Delete this line on the inside and redraw another using the Create or Edit Path tool. Drag this seam line to match the baseline. Change the color on the inside of this belt using this color tool. Let's now navigate to the Components pane and look for a buckle component inside this functional trim category. Repsketch furnishes a repository of readily available design components, great for inspirations and speed of the customization. This pedal buckle looks interesting, so let's drag it into our workspace. Place it on top of the belt here in the center, fill in color and edit group to delete this extra object, and resize the buckle to fit to the belt loop perfectly. Let's now move to the back sketch and change color to match the front, and then increase the belt width like we did for the front. Duplicate this buckle, place on the back sketch, delete the older one, and adjust layers. Let's now move to this third view and make the same edits to this as well. Starting off with delete this buckle, followed by changing the color and increasing the belt width at last. Again, duplicate the buckle from the front view and resize to match the belt width here in the center. Let's also add a background to our sketch using the Shape tool, change color, and adjust layers. To conclude, proceed to the Design Properties section. Provide a name, description, and relevant tags for your sketch. Step 3. Render. Now it's time to transform your sketch into a stunning 3D image. Head to your profile, open the view page of your sketch, and click this magic wand icon to unleash the AI capabilities. Customize or add a new prompt, hit Generate, and witness the magic. Experiment with different prompts to integrate your designs into tech packs or present them in your design meetings. That's how Repsketch swiftly turns your ideas into realistic images. Subscribe for more tutorials and feel free to share your questions or feedback in the comments section.